Hello my friends, this is Jeannie. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This is going to be an unboxing video. I was contacted by a company, Craspire or Craspire. I think it's Craspire. Anyway, I was contacted and asked if I would be willing to review some of their items. I said I would. I was given the opportunity to select items to review. I will share with you the 3 items that I selected, and I selected these items with particular projects in mind. Those projects will post in the coming weeks, so definitely be on the lookout for that. Also, I will link the website and the product links all down below so that you can check them out if it's something you're interested in. There will also be a coupon code listed down below. I do advise that you check out the website before you use the code down below, because they do have specials and other coupons regularly, and sometimes those coupons and specials might be better than the coupon code down below. So definitely check out the website before you commit to the coupon code down below. So let me share with you what I purchased. So the first item I selected was this 40-piece blank Kraft paper envelope set. You get 40 of the same type, size, and style envelope. These are 4 3/4 by 7 3/4. The flap is scored. It is a top-loading envelope. It is a decent weight paper. It's not copy paper for sure, but it is not as thick as a heavier weight cardstock. It's a nice weight. I'm happy with it. It does not have any type of adhesive on it, so if your intention is to use this as an actual envelope to seal something inside of it, you will have to use your own adhesive, because it does not have adhesive. I am going to be using these envelopes in alternative ways, not as actual envelopes, as in I'm not mailing anything out. So they are really pretty. The color seems to be consistent throughout. The quality is consistent throughout. There's nothing loose or lifting, so these are, I'm happy about that. And as you can see, the envelopes do have like a little, maybe you can see it, maybe you can see it, maybe you can't. It does have a bit of a script, a very muted script print in the background. So very pretty. Looking forward to working with those. Before I show you this, because this is my favorite, let me share with you this beauty. This is a wax seal handle. If you play with, or if you use wax seals, then what you will probably see more often than not is this wooden handle attached to the head, and it comes apart, and that's so that you can swap out the heads, especially if you have multiple seals that you like to use. I have tons of them, and I have tons of these wooden handles, because traditionally if you buy a set, that's what it comes with. Well, I was looking around Craspire website and saw they had glass handles, and this is a natural amethyst. It is beautiful, beautiful. I will say it is heavy, but it does feel really nice on the hand. It's really pretty, really pretty. I'm glad to have it. And it pairs up with my wax seal heads quite nicely. Very pretty. So let me share with you the final item, and the one that I'm excited about the most, and that is this. This is a 6-piece Halloween sealing stamp heads set. It comes in this beautiful box. It is a nice quality box. Has a ribbon tie in the front, and when you open it up, you get 2 of the handles. Attached to the handles are 2 of the wax heads, the stamp heads, and plus 4 more. So the 6 pieces is referring to the heads. So I know it's hard to see, so I'm going to just show you the heads themselves, and I'm also going to share with you what it looks like when you stamp them out, because you get a scarecrow. Isn't he adorable? You get a witch. Here you get an image of a haunted house. Very pretty. Haunted house with little like crosses to indicate like what do they call that? A graveyard around the house. Very pretty. You get a spooky tree with a pumpkin, a tombstone, and a little crow or bird. I'm saying it's a crow because it has to be in my mind. The image is beautiful. They stamped beautifully. And then here you have a skeleton in a coffin. And then finally you have like this cute, but at the same time kind of spooky tree. So those are the 6 images that come in this set. I do like all of the items that I selected, but I have to tell you, this is my favorite. I was not expecting this to be one, so high in quality. I really wasn't. And 2, just so visually pleasing and well organized. I absolutely love this set, and we'll definitely share with you some projects using this set. And if you have a friend who is into using wax and wax seals, this might be the gift for them. The box is beautiful and the quality is top-notch, and for the price, I think this particular set was $22, $22.09 if I remember correctly. Link down below. Use a coupon code. Definitely something you might want to consider adding to your collection if this is something you enjoy doing. I do enjoy using wax seals in so many different ways. Tons of fun. So that is my project share, my friends. Thank you for watching. Definitely be on the lookout for future videos sharing the projects I make with these products. There will be 2 videos. I think I'll post one next week and then one the following week. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. I would love to have you. Be sure to activate that notification bell. That way you're notified anytime I post a new video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know which of these items is your favorite and what would you do with them. I will catch you all in the next video, my friends. Until next time. Bye-bye.